Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So let's make Sunday dinner. All right, so to my cleaned and pat dried chicken, I'm gonna add lots and lots of fresh garlic and jalapeno, and you want to season this until your ancestors say stop. So if in your head you don't feel like, you're like, man, I don't think that's enough. I think Misha would want me to keep going. Keep going, okay? So if it look pale, keep on going. It needs to have color when you season it. You need to see the seasoning. Make sure you guys check out my description box for any information that you may need. I always hold you guys down. You want to pop this in the oven for 45 minutes on 400. It comes out looking like this. All right, so next you're going to take your favorite barbecue sauce and put it right over the chicken. I know y'all are looking like, Misha, that's kind of thin. I did thin it out, but guess who lost a whole entire clip? Clumsy Misha. However, I got y'all. It's in the description box. And it's just 4 ingredients. It's just store-bought barbecue sauce and 4 other ingredients, and I thinned it out. That's all that is. So you want to pop that back in the oven for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to work on the cauliflower. You want to add your cauliflower to boiling chicken broth or chicken stock for 5 minutes. There I go showing y'all 5 minutes, okay? I'm not playing, 5 minutes. After you remove it, you want to saute down some onions and peppers in some butter. Next, you're going to season this with some salt or however you want to. I'm using some Mrs. Dash Southwest seasoning, but you can use whatever you want to, as well as some pepper, and I'm just keeping it simple. There's a lot of flavor in the broth, so the cauliflower is actually already flavored. After that cooks down for about 5 to 7 minutes, then I'm going to add the cauliflower and mix that in for about 2 minutes. It's done. And y'all, this was actually my favorite part of the dish. I just love vegetables, and the onions and the peppers brought something very tasty to the cauliflower. So I hope you guys make this for sure. All right, so I served this up with some rice and peas. I already have a rice and peas recipe on my channel, so I didn't even bother putting that in the video today. But make sure you guys check that out. I'll make sure the link is in my description box if you want to make it. But this is dinner. This is actually what I made today, like literally today. And I got the video out. So this is what it looks like. Nice, fresh, clean. The chicken was just amazing. The cauliflower is amazing. And so, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for your, always watching. Drop me a comment if you make this recipe. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.